How to create a digital download website with WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a WordPress website and how you can add some downloadable contents on it. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, before we begin, there are a couple of things that you're going to need to do in order to get a WordPress website. First things first, you're going to need to get a domain and some hostings. So what I use is Namecheap. All right, I use Namecheap because in my opinion they have, like, pretty decent and pretty cheap domains and hosting services as well. But you can go with whichever one you feel most comfortable with. There are tons of hosting websites out there, such as Hostinger, Bluehost. Even GoDaddy is now offering some hosting plans as well. So you can go with that one. It all depends on you. But for me, I'm going to be using Namecheap. So in order to get a domain, first what you're going to do is come over here onto domains, and over here just simply click on domain name search, and over here you can search for your domains and you can pretty much find whichever one you want, right? So it can be anything. So let's just say the Digital Academy, right? Oh, so if we search for this one, the Digital Academy, you can find a bunch of different ones. So as you can see, Digital Academy Inc., Digital Academy XYZ, Digital Academy.net, .org, .ai, .gg. I don't see a .com, so I believe that isn't available as of yet, but yeah. So you can choose whichever one you want. It all depends on you. And as you can see, $1 per year, $3 per year, $1,000 per year. It all depends on you. So over here, as you can see, the digitalacademy.org is around $2,615. So, and it renews at 14. So you can find your domains over here and you can buy them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to want a hosting plan. So over here, you will see shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and all of that. And you will see you have WordPress, merge WordPress, or manage WordPress hosting. It all depends on you. But for now, all you got to do is just simply click on WordPress hosting, and it's going to take you over here onto the Easy WP, where you can see all of the hosting plans. So as you can see, Easy WP Supersonic, it's $54 per month, and this will be billed yearly. But if you choose monthly, it's $13.83, and the first month is going to be completely free. So you can go ahead and try it for free as well. It's pretty amazing. And within this, you get 100 gigabytes SSD storage, 500K visitors, 2 times more CPU, 2 times more RAM, 99.99% uptime, free CDN, and free SSL as well. So it's pretty amazing. Now, I already have these things, but once you have it, you just simply install WordPress and you should be good to go. So over here, as you can see, I'm on EasyWP, and now I don't have any websites currently, but all I would have to do is just simply click on add new website, and over here I can just simply add the website name, right? I'll just say the Digital Academy. You can change the names later on. It all depends on you, but yeah. Then you just simply click on continue. You pick a plan, which one you want. You want the Supersonic, the Turbo, or the Starter, and you should be good to go. So in my opinion, the Turbo is pretty decent, right? Like, if you want, you can go with the Turbo plan, but if you like, for a starter, like, it gives you like free CDN and free SSL certificate as well, which is good. But if you want to grow, then you can go with the 13.88, the Supersonic one. So for now, we're going to stick with the Turbo plan, and we're going to click on continue. And over here, this is going to be your domain. So if you already have a domain, all you got to do is your domain on Namecheap. Over here, this is going to be the domain that you have. And yeah, you just pick that, and you just simply click on continue, and then you pick a theme. So whichever theme you want, it doesn't really matter. You can skip this step if you want to, but if you want to pick a theme, you can as well. Then click on continue. Then these are some of the plugins that you could, add into your WordPress website. But if you don't want to, you can also skip them, and then you should be good to go. So over here, your theme will be 22, Easy, Turbo, monthly, your domain, and the name of your website. And then just simply click on continue to purchase. And then you just simply have to enter in, your card details, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm this, and I'll catch you guys in a second. And then you should be good to go. Then it's going to load up over here, and it's loading up, and over here you will see all of your details. There we go. As you can see, we are now creating our website. It's going to take about an hour and a half in order to fully complete the website, and then we can move on. So right now, as you can see, it says that our website is created, but if I open it up, as you can see, the website is still being created. Website is not found as of yet. So we just have to wait for a little while, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and we should be good to go. So I'm going to pause this video right here, and I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay, now let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so it is live. Okay, so the website is live now. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, now we have a website. Now let's go ahead and properly adjust it, properly customize it. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to first go into the WP admin settings. We're going to change some of that settings. Also, reset your WP admin's password as well, right? Password as well. So over here, just enter in the username of your Namecheap account or the WP Easy account or whatever, and then click on get new password. So we have entered in the name. Now we just simply click on get new password, and now they will send a confirmation link to our email, and we should be good to go. All right, so now we have it. Now we can go ahead and easily log in. So let's go ahead and log in. And here we go. So as you can see, this is a fresh installation of a WordPress website. Now, what we need to do is we just simply have to go ahead and edit this website out to our needs. So first things foremost, what we need to do is we need to go into the plugin section. We need to install some different plugins. So we'll click on add new plugins over here, and we're going to install some different plugins such as a Elementor plugin and a Astra themes. So over here we have the Astra themes, and this is the starter template. So we just simply click on install now and activate them later. So while that installs, we'll go ahead and search for Elementor as well. All right, so as you can see, Elementor website builder, we're going to go ahead and install that as well. All right, so now that that is installed, we'll just simply go ahead and click on activate to activate the plugins, and we'll go ahead and activate the Astra themes plugins as well. So over here, we'll just skip all of this, we'll just click on next over here. We'll skip this, edit a blank canvas. We'll just skip this, all of that. All right, here we go. So this is how the Elementor website builder looks like. But first, foremost, we need to exit it out. We need to go back, and we need to go ahead and go back to the dashboard and activate the other templates as well. So over here, we just simply activate these, and activate these. All right, we have activated all our templates. We should be good to go. So now if you come over here on underneath appearance, you will see starter templates. You click on the templates, and it's gonna ask you to build your website. Now we're gonna choose the Elementor builder as we install that, and now we just pick a theme that matches our website and matches our needs. So since you're trying to, build a website with like a downloadable content, like an ebook or something like that, a landing page would be much better. So underneath businesses, you will see landing page. Just simply click on landing page, and you will see a bunch of different ones. So you can pick whichever one you want, depending upon what your need is, and you should be good to go. So this one looks pretty good, because of the book. We have the book over here. We can add like the name as well. I think this looks good, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So over here, you can upload the logo of your file of your website. So just simply click over here, select the files. This is the logo that we have. We're gonna choose that, and we're gonna select that, and there we go. So we have that logo up at the top. We can increase the width of it as well. I'm gonna keep it like that, so that it doesn't look weird. So we can even, yeah, that looks nice. Then we'll click on next, and then we can go ahead and change the background and the overall color of the website. So this blue one looks good, so we're gonna keep that, and we'll just simply click on continue, and then just fill out this form, and then just simply click on submit and build my website. And there we go. So they're building your website right now. So all you have to do is just sit back, relax, and let it do its thing. It's basically installing all the themes, plugins, and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video right here, and I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, so as you can see, congratulations. Your website has now been installed. So now all we have to do is just simply click on view your website to see how it looks like. And over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. We can delete all of these out and, change it however we want to. So let's go ahead and edit this with Elementor. So over here, we have this edit with Elementor. We're going to click over here. We're going to edit our website. All right. So over here, as you can see, we have this. We'll just keep that and we'll keep this as well. We're going to delete these section right here and this one as well, since we only have one book. If you have multiple books, you can go ahead and do that as well. So you can say like the upcoming book is over here, notify me, and then you can see you have your footer down here as well. Let me just put this right over here. There we go. So pretty simple. You have your editing tools over here on the left side and your main website over here. So what you can do is over here is you can go ahead and change some of these things out. You can change this post out as well. So, and you should be good to go. You can change the image of your website over here as well. Now, over here, as you can see, this button is basically a purchase button, and basically what it does is over here, the code is written. So we'll just simply click on update. So let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard. And also let's go ahead and preview the website as well. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like, right? So someone clicks over here, they get added to, cart, they click on the checkout button and they can go ahead and buy it. All right. So pretty simple. Now let's go back over here. Now, how would you want to, add a downloadable book, your very own ebook? So let me just show you. So to actually add your own product, what you're going to need to do is you're going to download a plugin called WooCommerce. So we're going to go over here onto the plugin sections over here, and we're going to click on add new plugin. And over here, let me just get all of this stuff, notifications out of the way so that we can easily, here we go. So over here, we're just simply going to search for WooCommerce. So over here, as you can see, this is the plugin right here, WooCommerce. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this. Now, what WooCommerce will allow us to do, it'll allow us to sell digital products, physical products, and all of the other things. So we can add WooCommerce Stripe payment, shipping tax, PayPal, payments, whatever we want, we can add that, right? But for now, we'll just install WooCommerce and activate the plugin. So now that it's been downloaded, we'll just go ahead and activate it, and we should be good to go. So once it's installed, you should be good to go. And over here, this is our store, the WooCommerce store. Now, what we need to do is we need to add our product over here, right? So for that, let's go back over onto dashboard, come over here onto the left side and click on products. You're going to click on all products. You're going to view all of the products that are already added. So over here, okay, so as you can see over here, we get to create and add new products. So over here, we have no products. All the products are empty. All right. I'll do that later. Okay, so over here, we'll just simply click on create product, right? And over here, we add in the product name. So since this is an ebook, we'll just say that, this is a get rich quick type of book. So get rich quick type of book. Yeah. So we'll just say get rich quick or something like that. And then over here, we can add a paragraph of our book and what it's about. So, you just simply type whatever you want, like make a pretty detailed paragraph on why someone would want to buy this book, right? So I'll basically type in, if you want to get rich quickly, but you don't know how to, then in this book, I'm going to show you all the methods that will help you. So something like that. So, and then we can add in some other details as well. So I'm going to first add the paragraph and then I'll catch you guys in a second. So over here, something like this, add that. And then what we can do is we can insert download over here and add the media, right? So over here, we can add the download or choose a download by the complete series or, stuff like that. We can add that over here. And over here, we can add the media and add the form as well. Now, down below, we have our inventory, right? We have our general settings. So we're going to click downloadable and it's a virtual. So this products aren't intangible or not shipped, like these are virtual products. So we're going to check those two boxes. And then over here, regular price is going to be $50, and then over here, the sale price is going to be, let's say, $40. And then we can add the file over here. So we can click over here, add the file, and we'll just simply click on choose the file over here. Now we don't have any, so we're going to select the file and upload it. So let's say that this get rich quick, this text is the file, this is the book. So we're going to insert that and we're going to click on insert. And then over here, we're going to click on the name. So we're going to say get rich quick book, or, you know, secret to getting rich or something like that. Secret to getting rich, something like that. We can add that as well. Let me just capitalize these first letters. There we go. So we have added the file, and then we can add like a download limit if we want, or if not, and download expiry never. So since, you know, someone has actually bought this book, so it shouldn't expire, right? So something like that. And then you can insert the media as well, like you can add an image of the book. So over here, we'll just go into the media library. So over here we have some images, but we don't want that. So I'm gonna go ahead and find like a online book over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the books, you know, the get rich book. Yeah, I think this looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and save the image. So we're gonna go ahead, just delete that. So this is the image. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and download the image over here. We're gonna place it over here, download it. Yep. There we go. Once it's downloaded, give it a go. We're gonna add it over here, right? So we already have the image. Let's go ahead and select it and upload it. So over here, as you can see, this is the image. We're gonna upload that. There we go. Once it's uploaded, we'll just simply click on import to product. There you go. So something like that will look good. And then we can go ahead and move it wherever we want, align to the left, into the middle, something like that, or like this. I think this looks good. So we're gonna keep it at that. We can increase the size of it as well. But yeah, something like that. That looks good. Then you can add like a short description of the product. You know, you can add like bullet points, like what you can do, how you can do it, and stuff like that. And once you've added that, you should be good to go. Let me just close that. And then all you have to do is just simply click on publish, and you are good to go. So now that we have added the products, let's go ahead and click on all products and view the product. Here we go. This is the product. So over here, yeah, this looks good. Now over here, we can add the product image as well. Like we added that image over there. Let's go ahead and add that image over here as well. Like set product image. We're going to click that, and we're going to click on select the image. And there we go. Now we just simply go ahead and update it. Forgot about that one. Now if we come over here onto our store, we can see we have the product. We can go ahead and add this product and buy it. So pretty simple. That's how you do it. That's how you make a downloadable content for your WordPress website. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.